The problem is T-belt warning sign. So we need to replace timing belt because 150k odometer. Overtime. C to Odo, trip B, Odo, trip A, trip B, Odo. And then long press, 15 seconds, switch on. Double click. Then set to number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Long press. The warning light, T-belt's gone. Then start.